In this video, I'll guide you through how you can create a survey in Google Form. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To create a survey form, at the beginning you have to open the web browser and log into your Google account. Now click on More Apps, then you have to find Forms and click on it. To create a survey form, you have to click on Blank Form. Now give this survey name, and if you want to add the description for this survey form, then you can do this from here. Now you have to add a question. To add your question, you have to click on Untitled Question and type your question here. Then click on the drop-down box and choose the option. If you want multiple choice, then you can choose multiple choice, or you can go with checkbox. But I want to go with checkbox, so I have to select checkbox. Now add option. To add another option, you have to click on it. Then you're ready. To add another question, you have to click on this plus icon. Now type your question name. Let's think your question is what's your name? So you need short answer. To select it, you have to click on the drop down box and choose short answer. Let's add another option. So you have to click on add question. On this section, user required to upload your CV. So type your question and then click on the drop down box and choose file upload. Now click on continue. Also you can customize the upload size. Let's think if you want to set a user can upload maximum one file, then click on the drop down box and choose one. You can also set a maximum upload size. To add another question, you have to click on this plus question, and if you want to add long description, then add your question here and click on the drop down box and choose paragraph. And you can see all the response for the survey form on this response page. To publish it, you have to click on publish button. Now click on publish. Here is your survey form link. To copy the link, you have to click on this copy text. By following this tutorial, you can easily make Google Form survey.